lovely people! I'm back with one more vlog. This video was supposed to be up on my YouTube channel last week, but the editing took me a little bit longer, so that's why you're watching it this week. So my week started off with receiving probably one of the coolest PR packages ever. What is that? Claw machine. How cool is that? Let's see how it works. Here it says coin please, so I guess I should put a coin in there, but oh, in this little tiny drawer has coins inside. Oh, look how cute they are. Okay, let's insert this one. Okay, let's see what happens. It's moving, you guys. Hold on, I just need to cheat a little bit. Totally not made up. No. I just got lucky. One more time. No cheating. This is addictive, you guys. This is one of the best PR packages that I've ever received. I love it so much. I can't believe it. How did they do that? It's so cute. Nice. Thank you, Benefit. Thank you so much. See, when it comes to work, I always make sure that everything is done on time and everybody is happy. However, in my personal life, things are a little bit different. Hey, what's up? So, it's 11:30. I should be sleeping right now. But here I am. We're leaving for Bulgaria tomorrow. It's an 11 hours road trip. Athens all the way to Stara Zagora. Yep. I haven't packed anything yet. Anything. Nothing at all. Why am I like that? I'm always doing the things last minute, and it's horrible. I need to fix that. If you're somebody who does everything last minute, we need to talk and be friends and discuss how to fix it, okay? Because it's an issue. You guys are probably expecting the video with my new backdrop. I have to disappoint you, it's not coming up soon. Oh, I hate myself sometimes. I tried filming that video twice and something was always going wrong. I hate packing for trips. It's the most annoying thing ever. So to make sure that I don't forget anything, I'm starting to pack the products by the order that I'm applying them on my face. First, primers. I'm taking these two. Foundations, concealers, blush, also my highlighters, brow products, my powders. I also have my brushes here. These are the brushes that I take with me when I'm traveling. So they've been here since the last time that I traveled with them. Probably need to wash them, but I'm gonna do that once I'm in Bulgaria. So now I'm also taking some eyeliners. Almost forgot my contour. Some setting spray, my eyeshadow primer. Look how cute this lipstick is. I don't think that you can imagine how tiny it is. This is a regular lipstick. It's like a travel version, so pretty tiny, but it's really cute. One more eyeliner. This is my brown eyeliner that I absolutely love wearing. It's by Colourpop. And mascara. And I think that I'm done.
2 days later.
I had two of those at home. The one was really dried out. I've been using it for months. And I had one more which I just hit open like a few days ago. Guess which one I have here with me today. The old one. This basically has nothing inside. I used it all. Now I just want to take a few tools. This is what I mean by tools. Eyelash curler, false lashes applicator, tweezers, lash glue, and some falsies. And I also forgot my sponge. It looks so dirty, but I usually clean it before I apply my makeup. I make sure that it's nice and clean right before I start applying my makeup. And that's all for the makeup. I'm not gonna take anything else because I already have some PR packages waiting for me to open them in Bulgaria, so I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna have some other stuff waiting for me. Somebody, I need help closing this. Done with the makeup. Now I need to go pack the clothes. I hate doing that so much. Anyone wants to help? I would really appreciate it. Here I have some of his and my clothes. I just need to fold them and put them in the suitcase. It sounds so much easier than it is. I just love editing so much. And here is the result of not packing on time and going to bed too late. We overslept. It's 8 o'clock. We were supposed to wake up at 6. We've never done that. We've never overslept for that long. Maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, hour and a half, but never 2 hours. Never. Here is a little secret. I was late packing our stuff because I was playing League of Legends. I couldn't just stop myself. It's so addictive. And 10 hours later, we have finally arrived. Hello! Hello! That's my dad. I want to really show you what we're gonna have right now. We got them some sweets from Greece. Let me show you. We got them galactoboricos. So this is what we're gonna have right now. Let's cut it. So crunchy.
Wow.
Look at that. So pretty. So we're currently here with my parents eating pizza. What pizza are you having?
I'm having margarita.
Good?
Good.
Leo. One of the main reasons we visit my parents was because it was my dad's birthday. To be honest, I wasn't vlogging as much as I wanted. Most of the time we spent with my parents, we were just chilling around the house, you know, maybe going for a walk outside, but it was just a really chill time with the family. Here are some clips from when we went to Plovdiv. So we're currently in Plovdiv with my parents. Hello!
Hello.
This is our first time here, so we saw water and we decided to, you know, get closer, see what's going on here.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
this thing is constantly falling down and I just hate it so much. This side is okay, this one is always slipping off, I don't know why. Before we know, the days have passed and we had to go back home in Athens. The road trip was a little bit more rough this time, maybe because we were a little bit more tired. I don't know what it was, but it was a little bit more difficult. So, enjoy! We're currently traveling back to Athens. We feel so tired today and so sleepy. We've been traveling for 4 hours. We have 6 more to go, 6.5. Traveling, that's what we're doing today, all day. Today we woke up at 6:30, yeah, and I didn't have any coffee. We were in a rush and I didn't have any time for coffee. I guess in about 100 kilometers there will be a stop with coffee, but we just need to be patient. The good thing is we have water. Yay! Kitchen! So this cream here that I have, it's for my acne scars. It's like a treatment for acne scars, and usually it needs to be in the fridge, but you know, we're on the road, no fridge. So Dimitri told me, why don't you put it in here so the air conditioner can be keeping it cool. And it's actually a great idea. So if you have a cream and you're traveling and it needs to be in the fridge and you don't know what to do, here, look what we did. Hello lovely people.
Hello, lovely people.
I don't feel my lower back anymore. We took a short break to get coffee and I forgot to make a vlog. I already drink the coffee, so yeah. We have 384 kilometers left till we get home. Traveling is so exhausting, you guys. Just looking at the road for so many hours. It's exciting at first and then it gets really boring. You agree?
I'm Greek.
You agree?
I'm Greek. I agree.
You agree?
I agree.
Agree.
Great that I'm Greek.
Huh?
Great that I agree.
Great that you agree.
Yeah, it's great that I agree that you agree. That's great
Huh?
that I'm agree.
Nice. There's one thing that I know for sure. We're not traveling by car to Bulgaria in the next couple of months for sure. The next time my parents are traveling to Greece, I don't wanna do that again. Do you guys like driving for so long? Do you enjoy traveling by car for so many hours? Let me know down in the comments. What do you think?
I agree.
You agree? You're Greek. We're finally back home, you guys. I'm so happy. I took a shower. I feel fresh. I feel really good. Right now I'm wearing a face mask and I'm actually trying out a new one. Let me show it to you. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a face mask though, because I didn't use a very thick layer. Summer Fridays jet lag mask, this one here. I've read so many great reviews on this mask and so many people were saying that it's absolutely fantastic, so I really want it to be very hydrating, because right now that's exactly what my skin needs. So I'm gonna let you know how this works for me. I don't know how I got tired, to be honest with you. I don't know. I've been literally sitting in the car all day. I don't know how I got exhausted. I think that I'm gonna spend the rest of my night just browsing Instagram and probably fall asleep like that. I don't know, I don't feel like doing anything else, to be honest with you. And that's all for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, because it helps me a lot. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do it now. Press that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell button, which is right next to it, because that way you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out